Bitcoin price history by John Edward updated December 9, 2021. Among asset classes, Bitcoin has had one of the more volatile trading histories. The cryptocurrency's first big price increase occurred in 2010 when the value of single Bitcoin jumped from just a fraction of a penny to 0.09. The cryptocurrency has undergone several rallies and crashes since it became available. Learn more about Bitcoin's volatile and some reasons why its price acts the way it does. Key takeaways: since it was first introduced, Bitcoin has had a choppy and volatile trading history. Bitcoin price has risen and fallen sharply over its short history, and as an asset class, Bitcoin continues to evolve along with the factors that influence its prices. Bitcoin narrative has shifted. While it is still a cryptocurrency, it's also provide a way to store value, hedge against inflation and market uncertainty, and follow investors to gain exposure to cryptocurrency within their portfolios. Bitcoin price history: the price change for Bitcoin alternately reflect investor enthusiasm and dissatisfaction with its promise. Satoshi The price changes alternately reflect investor enthusiasm and dissatisfaction with its promise. Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous Bitcoin investor, designed it for use as a medium for daily transaction and a way to circumvent traditional banking infrastructure after the 2008 financial collapse. Since then, the cryptocurrency has gained mainstream traction as a means of exchange and attracted traders who bet against its price changes. It has also morphed into a different investors type, a way to store value and hedge against inflation. Additionally, Bitcoin has investment linked to its price. So this new narrative may prove to hold more merit. The past price fluctuation primarily stems from retail investors and traders betting on an ever-increasing price without much grounding in reason or fact. But Bitcoin price story has changed in recent times. Institutional investors are trickling in as the cryptocurrency markets mature, and regulatory agencies are crafting rules specifically for them. Though Bitcoin pricing remains volatile, it is now a part of the mainstream economy instead of a tool for speculators looking for quick profits when markets sell. Here's quick rundown of Bitcoin past 2009 to 2015. Bitcoin had a price of 0 when it was introduced in 2009. On July 17, 2010, its price jumped to $9. Bitcoin price rose again on April 30. On July 17, 2010, its price jumped to $9. Bitcoin price rose again on April 30, 2011 from 1 to peak of 29.60 by June 7, 2021. A gain of 2.2960% within 3 months. A sharp recession in cryptocurrency market followed, and Bitcoin price bottomed out at 2.05 by mid-November. The following year, its price rose back from $4.85 on May 9 to $13.60 by August 15. 2012 proved to be a generally uneventful year for Bitcoin, but 2013 witnessed strong gains in price. It began the year trading at 13.28 and reached $230 on April 8, an equally rapid declaration in its price followed, bringing its price down to $680.50 a few weeks later on July. In early October, Bitcoin was trading at $123.200. By December, it had hit to $123.55 and fell to $687 3 days later. Bitcoin price slumped through 2014 and touched $315 at the start of 2015. 2016 to 2020. Price slowly climbed through 2016 to over 900 by the end of the year. In 2017, Bitcoin price hovered around 1,000 until it dropped 2,000 in mid-May and then skyrocketed to 19,345.49 on December 15. Massive investors joining.